Hey everybody, thanks for watching my video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to clean your WeatherTech mats with a fender brush and some all-purpose cleaner. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, comment, share. Check out my other videos. Got a few out there so far. I'm trying to work on putting some detailing videos together for people. So without any further ado, let's get started on this WeatherTech. Just soak it down. Take your fender brush, dip it in a bucket of water. Start scrubbing. You want to really focus on these grooves in the WeatherTech mat. That's where all the dirt goes. This one was just lightly dirty, so it's going to take a whole lot of scrubbing. After rinsing it, another thing I like to do is take Adam's CS3, spray it down. Microfiber. Start to wipe. Get a little bit more. Don't forget to turn it over the bottom. Make sure you get everything off there. So that's pretty much it. CS3 gives it a little bit of protection, kind of keeps it looking dark and nice. It's going to make it easier to clean in the future. You can actually, apply spray coatings and things of that nature. There's other things you can use. I've seen people use. I'll probably do a video when these really get hammered, which they're fairly new right now, but in the future, after they get several thousand miles on them, they're going to start to look dull probably. And then I'm going to use solution finish. I think that's going to be the other thing that I would use on it. CS3 and solution finish would be the two products I would probably use for my WeatherTechs. I've used that with pretty good results on other people's WeatherTechs that haven't been kept up so nice. So that's the end of the video. Hope this is helpful. This is basically if you want to keep your WeatherTechs looking nice. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Until next time, thanks so much, and look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thank you.